Yo, what up, my traders? Got a red day recap to finish off the week red. Since I started this account, I'm still green, 30 cents. Yo, I know that I'm down for the month from when I would see Meg, but I'm gonna show you guys my little statistics for this week too. So stay tuned. All right, so didn't take no trades pre-market. Looking for a trade here. I don't really like this trade too much, because it's not holding above these levels here, which I've drawn out. But it does hold above these levels here, so it's not that bad of an entry. It holds above these levels here, but really I had liked it to hold above 14, 18, 19 area. But I'm looking at the 1 minute chart here, and let's run it back. And I need to kind of get the habit of just kind of being so focused on the 1 minute chart. But it was a good trade. So it's a nasty wick, but we're gonna get a little dump right there. See a little dump, little washout to the VWAP level. So I entered there at 398. And all I was trying to do is just see if it's gonna test highs again. This stock is just so heavy, man. It's like all that, like I ain't gonna like this. It's a red week for me. I'm gonna show you guys on my chart log and shit like that. But yeah, it's a red week, man. With this account, I'm still green, like 30 cents after the day. Been losing like $2 every day over here, $1 here. The biggest loss I took was on Tuesday, and I lost $10 on one trade. And that was just stupid. So I'm still red in this account. Not really happy about how I traded this week. Next trade here, I'll get back to that thought. But next trade here, it's like things is just not. Everything's just so. It seemed like it was just so heavy this week, man. Just so hard to do. Like look at it. Look at this week close. Like nothing is holding above highs. It hold above this high, but like it pushes up, nothing hold. Look at this. It pushes up, nothing hold. Like this makes my strategy invalid. Like I can't take a trade here like I wanted to. So it's like I'm going for B setups here or C setups. So missed that bounce. Like look how choppy everything is. Like look at the 1 minute choppy wicks. That's why I did take, like I was trying to be real careful here, cause I look at the 1 minute, I see all those wicks, and then just look at the 5 minute here. It's just choppy, man. Like this is what I call choppy. I entered there at 14, 15. Look at green, red, green, green, red, green, 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 green. Didn't go up no higher, red, red. Like I hate when this stock looks like this. It's choppy. So anyway, jumped in there for 15. My low is the VWAP. Actually, no, my low was, I think I was either doing that one, but I think I was making this my low. Take a 14 cent, making this my low here. That would have been a better stop loss than the current candle. So let's push it up. It did like today. I was slow on a lot of my execution speeds too. I was just slow. You gonna see some trades. Sorry, it's not a very good commentary video, but I just cause a little frustrated today, man. And it's for this whole week. So I'm up $2.30. I got a little 10 cent rip off that. Trading 15 shares. Like look at like this is like look how choppy it is, man. Like it did. Oh, I'm gonna run this back. Yeah, like this is bull. This is messed up on my end. But anyway, look at this chop, man. Green, red, green, green. Now you got a red. Not pushing highs, not breaking highs. Weak. So anyway, I jumped in here for the washout long. Got in at a perfect entry, perfect spot. I don't know what happened. I must have fat fingered or something. I think I fat fingered. I don't know what happened. I got in at 376, and I'm hitting my orders. I sold one position early, and I sold another position. Like I don't know what happened there, man. I don't know what happened. I don't know, man. This was supposed to be a nice trade right here. This is supposed to be a nice trade because look at this squeeze. Look at this squeeze. I'm supposed to be up like I don't know. I don't know how I'm supposed to be up, but I'm supposed to have a green day today. I'm supposed to have a green day. Like I'm gonna be trading small share size for a while, man. Man, just ain't got it right now, man. I don't know, man. Just ain't got it. Look at that. Look at this squeeze, man. Like I could have jumped in. I should have jumped in, but then I feel like I was too late. And then I got like I'm gonna take a trade off the same candle, but like I don't like what I'm thinking about. Like I don't like well I'm not taking the trade like now. I'm gonna take a trade at the top like a fool. And then when I take this next trade here, I had a chance to get out for some profit and didn't get out. What the hell is wrong with me, man? Look at that squeeze, man. Look at that squeeze. That's a crazy washout long. I ain't bottom ticket, but I'm at the bottom, man. And I fat finger. I don't know what the hell. I got out the trade early. Ridiculous. So I'm in that 425, and I'm gonna get a little pop, but I don't sell it. Like this was a bad trade. I don't even like this trade. I should have sold this. I should have sold this for like 60 cents, 50, 45 cents or whatever. I don't know. I know what it was, man. It just wasn't enough money. I ain't make at least $1. If I'd have sold that, I would have made $1. That's why I didn't sell. I don't want to use my buying power to make 50 cents, man. Like I'm using all this buying power to make 50 cents, man. Whatever. So then I panic out, stop at down here at a support level where I probably should have added, but I stopped out. Now I'm down $3.50. This stock, it was a good trade to stop if you got it at the right moments, the right time. Because there's a lot of plays like this is a good washout play. Could have bought here, sold the rip. I tried to buy here. Like all these plays here are a little weak, but this was like the best play to take, and this one here was a good play to take. Like I got to come to the market not expecting the same thing that happened the day before. You know what I mean? Like every day is not the same. Every month is not the same. I gotta get that mindset part right. Cause sometimes I can't trade my strategy. Like, or I ain't gonna say I can't trade it. I can trade it anytime, but sometimes my strategy doesn't work sometimes. Like I'll lose more. And if I'm seeing that, I should have a rule. Three losses in a row. You just got to quit on the day. Just not your day. So I'm looking for another trade here. Like this is how choppy. I got in here at $3.99. I'm up a little bit, but not selling. I'm trying to get 10. I'm trying to get 20, but I should have got for 10 cents. Like I could have been green a lot of these trades, man. But trade was so low share size, like I don't want. This is waste of buying power. Like I said that twice. Got a wall at $4 here, and no bounce. I shouldn't got in right here. Should have got towards the support level a little more, towards the bottom of this candle. Look at 410 seller at $4. I don't think I noticed that when I was in the stock. No break. When I saw that there, I was like, yeah, this is weak. And I just sold it. Got out. Down $4.38. So the last trade I should have got in around this area. Dip, reclaim. Just trying to breach the support level here, or the low. This is not even a real support level. It just is a previous high level. Because it's not a support level because there's no real wicks down here. The stock never came from down. It came from support levels down here. Anyway, a bit at 390, struggling. Look, it won't give my 10 cents. Like I'm just trying to get 10 cents, man. Like, and then it's too like see how it did me. It put me at 411 when I was supposed to get. I was in at 399. I was in at 390. I was supposed to been out that stock. I got at 402. That it didn't feel me. I was supposed to been out that stock. So I jumped in here again. Now this trade, you can say this is not like my strategy. This is not my strategy. I don't really play candles going up like that. But the fact that this candle broke out and it cleared this previous low and it's holding, I feel like it was a good trade. And then it's above the VWAP, so it did dip back a little. And it didn't break VWAP. It kind of it rejected the VWAP pretty quickly, so I just jumped in. Just jumped in. Just jumped in here. I'll sell it. Like I got like, look how like I'm selling because all this previous resistance right here in the 1 minute. Look at all these wicks. Like it struggled at this level, still struggling. It's just I got a good average though. 409 is a pretty good average. And like, you know, I can stop at 4. Look at that. This is nothing is going up and hold it. Get through 20s. Can't go up. Look at it. Just lost it. And I just took it off for freaking 80 cents when I could have took it off for $1 and some change. Down $1.90 and I got one more trade after this. I don't know. This is a bad trade. Previous candle has a nasty wick. Look at this wick here. You know, I should have been taking the trade down here, the 86 level, like I did here. You know, this wasn't a good trade. 402. I think I cut this one off pretty quickly. Struggling. Going against me. Once it broke 4 like that, I was done with. Trying to get a little breathe a little bit. I was trying to see if it was gonna go back, but it didn't. So I canceled my order there. Know I'm about to get stopped out. This is so heavy. Nothing's really holding. Sorry, I'm sorry my tape is doing this sporadic stuff. It wasn't doing this while I was trading. I don't know. I think it's something wrong. I gotta change the frames per second in the settings of this video. But I'm sorry that it's jumpy like this. So I got out right there. Like, see, it was moving so fast that, like, I guess my recorder can't keep up. So I ended up losing $2.38 today. You know, I don't like, you know, the loss don't really matter to me. $2 ain't nothing, you know. But I just hated my trades today. Like, I should have been green. I just didn't like any of my execution. I take another trade. I don't like any of my executions. Just looking around. I think this is the last trade I took. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys my trade log here. So on this month, I am down. I'm only like that 230 cents. Once the trades import, I'll be only up 30 cents. That since I started this count, I'm only up 30 cents in this account now. So I had some bad trades, man. Like this week, the last week, I made $9. This week I lost about $8 this week. And my win rate, this is gonna go down. Profit rate is gonna go down. Like if this right here killed me, BRPM. Here you go. Like, I'm sorry, this little break is here. I can't get rid of this little break. But look at that. See, I need to wait for candle to close above resistance level before making the trade. False breakout candle. Like I bought a false breakout. I try to play it off here, but it didn't close and hold and push up. Like if this candle would have closed up here, pushed back, it'd been a better trade. But yep, got stopped out, losing $10 on 10 shares. Ridiculous. $6 Monday. Lost $5 on this stock. I did trade yesterday too, but I forgot to blur out my account number, so that's why I'm not putting that video up, because I don't want to have my account number exposed. I don't like this trade either here. It came up. I think this is out of a halt. See, it didn't already push down some, and then it came up. Like I shouldn't already been in it. But I hesitated on this trade here, and I played this low to get out before I got out too low. I think I had like 15. I think I had like 20 some shares, 25 shares, 20 shares. I made these 2 trades, 2 green trades. Now I'm only lost $1 that trade. Here, this is yesterday's action here. Show you the charts on them. DBGI. Try to play. This is the open, but I try to play, you know, a little bounce off a support level here. Really was down here. I got in a little too early. Some resistance right here. I remember this play too. I remember it took a long time to break out. Came down here. I tried to play a bounce. And I think I might have been a little green on this stock, but in the reversing on me, got out. Stopped out, lost out of 40. This trade here. This trade sucks. And this is in my video. Actually, no, it's not in the video. I'm sorry, I didn't make a video for it. But this was after the halt resumption, and I bought it here, and when I bought it, no one was very interested. And the tape was moving slow. The candle wasn't even moving. Like nothing was moving when I first got in. Then it dumped on me, and I should have got in down here. Should have got in right here. See these lows here? Maybe take a trade right there, but really it came down to right here. So this was the perfect entry right there. It's been hard to get because I would have probably took a trade like right here. And in reverse. You know, the same stock, I took that same trade and I actually bought it down here. Broke out through 8. Broke out through 8 and I sold up into the so I got in at 1369 and I sold it at 813. That was a good sell. This trade here, I got in at 785 and I got out 733. That is a 50-cent loss, man. Oh my gosh. Like I cannot be taking 50-cent losses, man. Like if I had 200 shares or 100 shares or anything like that, man, I'd have blew up my account. So yeah, I'm gonna be trading small shares for a while, man. I'm gonna be adding money to this account to grow it, but yeah, I'm gonna be like I'm not that mad though. Like I'm still alive, like in my account. Like if I had CMEG, I'd have be refunding right now. So, yep, still learning the ropes, man. Thank you guys for watching.